Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you the latest way to activate your Ubigi eSIM, including a few important steps that many people often miss. So first of all, after purchasing your first Ubigi data plan, you need to simply install your eSIM using the method which will be provided during the checkout. So most probably you need to either come here on the Ubigi website or you need to log in inside your Ubigi application. Now, when you log in into your account, you will find the option of scan the QR code. So you can scan the QR code, which will be provided to you. And then you can wait for some time until it installs the eSIM automatically on your device. Now, once the installation is completed successfully, the next thing that you need to do is simply go to the cellular section, and after that you can select the option of your SIM card manager. Over here you need to select the Ubigi SIM, and when you are inside the mobile networks, make sure that the data roaming option is enabled, and make sure that the line option is also turned on. So this way you will be able to basically activate the Ubigi eSIM. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.